Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through the process of disabling the News and Interests feature on your Windows 10 taskbar. Let's get started. Firstly, right-click on the taskbar. Find an empty space and then right-click to open the context menu. Next, hover your mouse over the News and Interest option in the context menu. Now, select Turn Off. Click on it to proceed. And there you have it. This simple action will disable the News and Interests feature on your taskbar. Keep in mind that the steps might vary slightly based on your specific Windows 10 version. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time!